Hi there, my name's Craig. Welcome to my channel, My Home Hob, bringing you delicious meals from around the world. Today we're going to make a very simple but very tasty beef madras. So let's get cooking. And here's a rundown of the ingredients you need. Hopefully if you made a curry before, you've got all of these in your cupboard. We're going to fry off 450 grams of cubed beef. Brown it well, it really gives it a really nice flavour. Once it's browned, remove from the pan and set aside. And now we're going to lightly fry 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds for about a minute or until they become aromatic. And now it's in with 1 chopped white onion. Fry until slightly softened. And now we're going to add a 1-inch piece of ginger, chopped finely, and in with 3 finely sliced cloves of garlic. Fry for around 1 to 2 minutes. I want my madras to be quite hot, so I'm adding 1 red chilli with seeds in, finely chopped. And now let's add our spices. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of hot red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Fry these off for a few minutes just to incorporate them with the onions. Now it's time to add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Just fry this off for a few minutes just to take off that rawness and bitterness. And now we're going to return our browned meat to the pan and coat well with the mixture. And now I'm going to add enough water just to slightly cover the beef. Mix it together well, make sure all the spices are incorporated, then cover, and we're going to simmer this for 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. Check as it's cooking just to make sure it doesn't go too dry, and add more water if necessary. Once you're happy with the consistency of your sauce, now it's time to add some chopped coriander. About a handful will do. Mix this in well, heat through, and then you're ready to serve. I'm serving mine with some steamed basmati rice and a mini naan bread. And finally just garnish with the remaining chopped coriander. And here it is, my simple but delicious beef madras. If you like what you've seen today, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. My name's Craig and you've been watching My Home Hob. See you again next week. Bye bye. And here's a link to some of my other videos.